Hello friends, I'm Cynetic and well, you'll know very soon why I show you this. You'll see in the video. So hello once again. In this video I will show you the promotional tips on and how to use bots on Steemit account, and of course I'll start to discuss about Dtube. I'll show you the layout, and very important thing, I'll show you how to make a post on Dtube. And you heard me right, Dtube post. So even if it is a video platform, how to make it into a post. So because when you post a video on YouTube, it will appear on Steemit, but it appears not so good. So how to make it to appear like a post in Steemit account. And if you stick with it, I know this video it will be pretty long, but it's quite interesting, and this one is the second part of a longer guide that I started. So please enjoy, like, subscribe and press that bell to receive notification when my video appears. Ciao! This time I'm gonna test some features of Dtube. I don't know if they will work or not, so you'll be my witness to that. So I made the previous video, also a video slash tutorial for Steemit. I put it on YouTube as well as Dtube. That is a platform from Steemit that you can post your videos. Well, it was very well. I want to test some features because, you know, I'm a long time blogger for this platform, and I want to test some interesting features for this. Each time when you post a video from Dtube, it will post on Steemit, and it will look like this. It will be your title, then the video will be in this window, which it is beautiful but very small. Then it will be the description, and in the description you'll find everything that you wrote or information for this video. So similar like YouTube, but if for example I have two things for this, or some things to say. For example, when I'm posting in YouTube, I can just take the link and put it on Steemit. And I want to do the same for Dtube. Or another way, I want to test if I can make actually a whole post in Dtube description, and when it will be automatically sent to Steemit to be exactly like a post, which app has this Dtube window that is from Dtube. So this is what I want to test. I don't know if it will work or not, but let's jump into it. So this was the last post. It was very good. I urge you to see it. This is on YouTube. You can see the whole post. It's 18 minutes, and I do talk about many things. In this post I'm talking about promotion, like in the end of the video, how to do your promotion on the post. So for example, you made a post on Steemit and you want to promote it. So there are some tools. You can go on Steemit chat. You can either press promotion. There is a promotion button you can use. You see, for example, there are some buttons here. You can send them on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, or other links like on your choosing, or it will appear here if the post is new, a promotion button. But if you press that promotion button, what happens? You send some money that your post will be in Steemit and people will see it. So that doesn't really guarantee, for example, something back. It will be just visible. So if people want to see it, will click it or not. There is another way, which is a more better way to do this, and this way is using some bots. Yes, actually in this environment, this Steemit, the bots are actually accounts specifically made to help other users. Of course, they don't do this from the kindness of their heart. Some of them are kind, some of them are not. So it's just they earn something too. So each bot has some special Steemit power. So that is this Steam power gives you power to upvote. The more Steam power you have, the more earning you made when you upvote your content or the other people content. Taking this into account, you can choose a bot that has a big power. You can send some money to them of your own choosing or their own limit, something like that, and they will upvote you because this is their service. So you will gain, of course, part of your money back. And what is the most important thing, why this is better than the promote button, because this guarantees an upvote. The promote button doesn't guarantee you a an upvote, so you'll have guarantee one upvote. But what it is interesting that I found that when somebody upvotes you, like a bot, something like that, you go on the trending pages, and on the trending pages it shows like people will check your content, will see it, and this guarantees you more upvotes. So also this is a social network, so of course you will need to socialize. Let's say if you come into contact with your audience, we discuss with them, so on and so forth, you will see, oh, this page doesn't open, I don't know why. One moment, maybe I can open from here. Okay, closing this. Okay, yeah, so you need to enter into contact with your fellow guys. So where I started to use these bots, you see my posts are like this. Some of them are earning more, some of them are earning less. This here also I was outvoted by Dtube, account Dtube called, and not only that account but many others users as well. And I make different posts, from Bitcoin to mining to presenting my life, or some culinary, for example pudding here, all healthy stuff, or some salad, flowers, even some storms, like this was a blizzard in Romania. So okay, with all this behind me, I started from here to test this sound. This, as you can see here, is 14 days ago, and you see this was a blizzard in Romania, and I used some bots. I click on it. This post was in two languages, Romanian and English, because I'm from Romania and I wanted to present. My country was hit by a pretty big storm. You see, starting easy, and then more and more and more and more and more. And I presented this. In the end, I can show you proof. Boomerang, Passive, Smart Sting. I promote this and Jerry Banfield, my new helper. These were the guys that I sent, I think, 3 Steam dollars, and they promoted my content. So you see here that is proof or evidence, how you want to call it, that you can use it. It is allowed, and actually it does help the environment. I mean the Steemit environment, and also you gain. For example, I will just tell you how much I invested. Let's say about 20 Steemit dollars, and this was my returns, 61. So of course this works and is very good, and this is just for me. I mean, my content was this, just presenting my backyard, some trip to outside to take some food, because you know, this because of the storm we had problems, and this was my return. So maybe you make a greater post, something much better, much beautiful, and you'll have more gains. Okay, I told you this. Now going back where I was. Yeah, so how to use them. This is the site, Steamboat Tracker. Don't worry, I'll put it in the description, I'll put it down, I'll put it everywhere for you to see this link. You go here and you see many things here, like many green, many red, many things that maybe are a beginner, you don't understand what is this. So I'll tell you, you just go with a click. Yeah, you first open the page, and there are some things here that are filters, they are called. Just go and see. Allow comments, this bot will accept Steam bits, of course. This bot automatically refunds invalid bits. This is very good. All bots must have this button, because maybe you made a mistake and you can gain your money back. So look for this dollar button. And this one, this provides a bit API, data shown here, guaranteed to be accurate. Okay, so this is a good bot. Also this one, yeah, bot proportion urging you to found their own project. Okay, this is good. So how to see everything? You see here, this is the bot name, and there are quite a lot of them. Then the bot value, each one of them are different. You see, it's either $100, $6, $70, $400, to build a well. This is very big. So these are quite some whales actually. When they vote, they have this. They send you this power, this in Steemit, in Steam. Sorry, Steam dollars. Okay, so this they say minimum bid value, that is 0.1, 0.5, 1 Steemit dollar. These are amounts are in Steemit dollars. Okay, you know this. Then return of investment, or ROI limit. This guy gives you 1%, which is, whoa, this is very good. You can jump into this right now. And when you see this amount with minus, this means that you is not profitable to invest into this one. But how you understand these things? So you see here total bids. So for example, here is 0 because the ROI is minus. But for example, this guy has at me vote. We see this example, $100 and people already $40. So almost like is very close to his power, because his power is 100. So already many people bid for this. So as much as you bid, the more it will be the upvote. If already people, let's say it will be 99 here, maybe better not to invest, because the bot will not have power sufficient amount for you. So this is the best way to see it. So the lower the bid is, and here says none or 0% or 1%, 1% will be great, as my friend, you can use it. But if not, it says minus, and then okay, people bid too much. Let's say here it says 0, but here it says okay, some people already bid, or here already, yeah, so some people already bid. You cannot bid, or you must make a huge bid. For example, for this one, you can bid up me vote. You see, this is green, so that means they are profitable, these two ones. You can bid, but choose to bid a larger amount than one Steemit dollar, because people already $40 Steemit bucks they send here. So send 5 or 6, something like that, to guarantee that you have a powerful upvote. So okay, we're told this amount. We'll have the time here, last vote and the next vote. This already the timer is up, and he'll start to upvote now. It will disappear. Only now my page will have to refresh, because this one will disappear from here. And this one says here 3 minutes to the next upvote. Okay, details, if you want you can check them, and if you want to use them, just press here. For example, send bid. You press on this one, you see your account, Steemit account, send the bid amount. Here you post the post URL, just copy. For example, from here you copy this one and you go back and you paste. For example, check and submit, and fill all information required there. This will be your information, so it will be private. I will excuse me for this, but I do not want to show. You can see it's very simple. Just if you don't have an account, in somewhere they ask you some account, you can just check it and log in and so on and so forth. User accounts, link it with your Steemit account, because it will be Steam or Steam Boost or something like that. So it will be your accounts from Steemit. Do not try to put your private key. Never put your private key from account to an account to an account. Just link your account that is already open in your computer, not to have private keys scattered around the web. So this is the best part. You check it and submit, then you'll be accepted. And this is the best way you can do, and the fastest way that you can use a bot. You can choose as many as you like. If you have plenty Steam dollars, you can choose them all. If they are profitable, remember this is not profitable, this is not profitable. So if you choose them, this also is not profitable. You can choose them and they can upvote you. So this was the discussion about this. It's simple as that. You can earn a lot of money, and if you have a great post, people will upvote you, they will earn also money. It's simple as that. So it's a community that is like this environment works together, you know, everything that you do, it's connected. So now let's go to Dtube. Dtube is a fairly large amount of discussion here. So in previous video I already started to say about Dtube. I check already the layout. Here you have a button, for example, that this will direct you to, my internet speed is very low today. Okay, doesn't matter, it will take 10 years. This and my profile, I checked before. So it goes to my Steemit account, and my Steemit account, they are the settings account from your Steemit. So there you can, for example, found the image on the internet, and with that image you post the, for example, you do something like this. You copy the image location, so the location of the image, and then you paste it into that one. For example, let's say profile and head profile or avatar, and it will appear like this, like me, Cynetic. Here it will be a picture of me. This is me shooting with a bow, and here when I was in the mountains, bigger cascade from Romania. So this is how it is show my layout. Okay, this is my videos you've seen about. I don't no need to talk about this. You can check my previous video about this first layout. We now go to upload a video. For this is very simple, just drag and drop or just press it. I press it and it just goes because poor guy doesn't know where to go. I made a video that is a test because this is specifically made for this this video. It's a test. Okay, so test Dtube. Okay,
hello
open.
Friends, I'm Cynetic and
okay, now take a snap very quickly, save the file, then upload the snap. Oh Jesus, where it was. Okay, the snap, I upload it. Okay, so already my video was poof immediately here. The snap, what you just said. So this, I took a snap, I upload the snap is the thumbnail for my video. So now I made a post. Okay, this post is also test post made in Steemit. So this will not be shot in Steemit, it'll just be copy and paste. I want to see if it will work. For example, because I want to see this layout or something similar from Dtube. If you cannot link the Dtube to Steemit like I do with YouTube, I just want to see if I can make a post, put the post in the description, and then appear video and post exactly like on Steemit. So this is my point, what I want to say, to do. Let's see if it works. I don't know. Okay, description, paste. Booyah. So I pasted this. Testing Dtube. Okay, going here. Okay, that should be enough. And that is it. Let's see if it's working. Submit. Okay, so I pressed the button, and as you can see, it was a success. This is my post with testing Dtube, and this post I made it on Dtube platform, Dtube video platform, da. Okay, and from here it went automatically to Steemit. So testing Dtube, as you can see, and let's go into it. Booyah! The video appears very big because this was the latest update. If you remember, some people discussed about this. This was a very good update, you can make now with better quality some of your videos, and this is how it looks. The window is much bigger, much larger. And on the description, if you remember, I wrote some things, and not only write, but I posted links to YouTube and even pictures. So let's see. We have the video from YouTube. It was implemented successfully. Then pictures. Yes, this is exactly what I wanted. So I managed to do a Dtube blog video. So I managed to put the video from Dtube, YouTube, and pictures also, making a complete post. So what happens here? I can say now, in this present moment, it's 16/03/2018, that is 16 March 2018, that it's possible to make a post similar like a post that you make on YouTube. So you can use the Dtube to post images, videos even in the description, and it will appear perfectly in your Steemit account. As you can see, even my badge, this is my Steemit Verify badge, I put the code in the description of my Dtube account. So let's go there, let's check one moment. Okay, making mute. Opa. Okay, let's go here. So this is how it looks. If you see it from Dtube, the description is very big and it looks like a bunch of gibberish. But if you check the post from Steemit, you can see a beautiful post. Of course, your post can be very different than mine. You can show different things. This is my painting. I mean, I did not paint this, but somebody made for me, and it's a painter from Romania. It's a very good one. So you can make whatever post you like, and you can use a video and put in the description. You can put also your pictures and whatever you have there. So using the markdown that I explained in the first video, you can make a post actually in the description of Dtube and then sending automatically without you doing nothing, just pressing the button, just send and upload. It will appear exactly like a post here in Steemit. For the moment, this is the only way, at least the only way that I know or discovered that works like this. I don't know, maybe in the future it will be different ways to go around this or with this. For the moment, I think is the best thing that we can do, and looks actually very good. I'm very happy about this because I did not like to have a post. I mean, I was happy to have a nice post on Dtube, but I always like, for example, this one, like look at here, it's like a very small window. Some friend of mine said to me that he did not know that actually this was a video. He thought that it's just an image and just some bunch of writing here. I said, man, no, this is from Dtube and it appears on Steemit like this. And he said, ah, okay, so this is the description. So you see, that's why, for example, if you're a writer and you want to present your story, you want to also visually like pleasure your writers. For example, you want to show something nice, something beautiful, or maybe you want to say something not so beautiful, not so nice. Maybe you want to discuss about some ugly things. So also that you can make, but you must make a good impression. So this is what I'm talking about. That's why when I want to make a post, I want to look the post like this, with big pictures, big images, and the images also videos. Like this is Dtube. You see how nice and beautiful it looks. You click on it, you go on Dtube, and you see it. It's very nice. I like this very much. So I'm very happy that my experiment was a success. So guys, for the moment I'll end my video here. I hope that you learned something from this. In this video I'll show you how to make a promotion, how to make this blog or post type and post it on Dtube, and then from Dtube to Steemit, something like a hybrid, I can call it. And I think it was a good video. Why not? So if you like my video, please support me by upvoting on Steemit, liking on YouTube, subscribing, of course, post questions if you have. And well, we see each other in the next video. Ciao.